Hey everyone! So, is Xero not working properly on your computer or browser? Maybe pages aren't loading, features are unresponsive, or the dashboard isn't showing your data. Yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you need to manage invoices or accounts quickly. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix Xero not working in 2026, and most of these solutions only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Xero needs a reliable connection to load data and perform actions, so a weak network can cause problems. Old cache or cookies can prevent Xero from loading properly. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then refresh the page. Try opening Xero in another browser or use incognito mode. Sometimes browser extensions or settings interfere with Xero's functionality. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side. Visit Xero's status page to see if there are any ongoing server problems or maintenance. If you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off. Xero can block certain connections, which might prevent it from working correctly. Make sure your browser is up to date. Outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues with Xero's web app. If none of the above fixes work, contact Xero support. They can troubleshoot account-specific issues and help you get back up and running, and that's it. Most Xero problems can be fixed by checking your internet connection, clearing your cache, or using a different browser. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.